Water is regarded as the universal solvent since it dissolves not just various compounds but also more substances than any other liquid. It dissolves ions and polar molecules easily because it is a polar molecule with partly positive and negative charges. As a result, water is known as a solvent, a material capable of dissolving polar molecules and ionic compounds. Water molecules create hydrogen bonds with the charges associated with these molecules encasing the particle in water molecules.
As for the importance, water is recognized as the universal solvent in which most substances dissolves and transport medium for distributing them. So, water is an extremely important solvent as it dissolves necessary substances such as sugar and gases that are needed. But take note that water does not react with any of the substances. Water does not actually react with these dissolved substances. In human body, water is able to transport gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen, waste such as urea, nutrients in limited amount such as salt, vitamins, and sugar in form of glucose to other parts of the body, for example, muscles, organs, excretion. In cells, water is essential for all the cells reaction. Many of these reactions only occur when the two reacting substances are dissolved in the water. For some instance, seeds does not grow or germinate without a certain amount of water.
According to Copsel 2006, because of its polarity and ability to form hydrogen bonds, water makes an excellent solvent, meaning it can dissolve many different kinds of molecules. Most of chemical reactions important to life takes place in a watery environment inside the cell, and water's capacity to dissolve a wide variety of molecules is a key success in allowing these chemical reactions to take place. Here are some of the advantages of water as solvent. First, it is a natural resource, easy to obtain, and has a lower cost. Second, it is non-toxic. Third, facilitating recovery of inorganics contained in biomass. Fourth is synthetic efficiency.
Here are the cons. The same as the other things in the universe, water also has its advantages and disadvantages. As we study the different properties of water, we realize that calling water as a universal solvent is inaccurate. Why? It is because only polar molecules are soluble in water. When we think of water, we always say it is helpful, it gives a lot of benefits, and has advantages, which is correct. But as we think of it deeply, water also has its disadvantages that we rarely notice. An example that shows the disadvantage of water as a solvent is we can easily identify if a water contains poison, because poisons are soluble in water. Another is when we are washing clothes. Some color or dyes dissolve and stains other clothes.
Our planet is our home, the place that sustains life with everything around us. As youth, sometimes we feel that we are hopeless and powerless, unable to take action or do things, since government and large group corporations are the ones who's taking the vital decisions on important issues, especially on water and environmental issues. Youth should play a significant role in environmental protection, especially the water in our surroundings. Be a volunteer and participate in community cleanup on the beach, stream, or lake to help protect the water sources, as well as save water within our daily living usage. In short, as youth, we have the potential to make difference, whether through small actions or larger initiatives, to care about the environmental welfare around us. Because we are the future for the world's future.